this measure outer measure of empty set equal to 0 ஓட proof பார்க்க போறோம். So first we'll consider for all epsilon greater than 0 minus epsilon by 4 is greater than or equal to empty set. So either empty is less than or equal to minus epsilon by 4 epsilon by 4 எழுதிக்கலாமா? And outer measure of empty set will be less than or equal to length of minus epsilon by 4 epsilon by 4. So இதை எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? epsilon by 4 minus of minus epsilon by 4 which is equal to epsilon by 4 plus epsilon by 4 which is equal to 2 epsilon by 4 which is equal to epsilon by 2. So therefore m star of empty set is less than or equal to epsilon by 2 which is less than epsilon for all epsilon greater than 0. Since epsilon is an arbitrary value, so therefore outer measure of empty set is equal to 0.